In front of me is Vivo Y16 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Vivo smartphone. First of all, open Settings and scroll down. Then choose Privacy section. After that, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like Calendar. Then click on one of your apps. I will go with Gmail and tap on one of those options, Allow or Don't Allow. I will go with Don't Allow, so in this case I need to choose Don't Allow anyway and go back. As you can see, after that, Gmail no longer has access to my device's calendar. But you can always go back, select any feature, and look for an app that you wish to manage. For example, I will go into Location to manage my files. Then click on See All Files by Google Permissions instead, and manage all of them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!